Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4, and today I will show you how to install Google Play services on, well, any kind of HUAWEI device, at least any device that is running Android 10. And to get started, it is recommended that you have a fresh version of Android on your device, so right after the setup of the device, and you do want to connect to Wi-Fi, which I probably am or not. Just connect then. Oh, there we go, now I am connected. So once you are connected to Wi-Fi, you want to go to your browser, and from here navigate to HardReset.Info website. Right over here. Once you're on the website, tap on the download category, then tap on the search bar and type in dual. There we go, and you should have dual space application, as you can see. So scroll down, click on the download, again scroll down a little bit more, and again click on the download. And once it's done downloading, just select install and open. Now if you're doing this for the first time already, did install it before, so when you're doing this for the first time, it will give you a little pop-up asking for permission to storage and several different things. Grant it all, and from here all you need to do is simply tap on the Play Store application. This will basically install the Play services, and just give it a moment. There we go, and from here you can install any kind of application from Play Store. Now as you can see, I already am logged in, but if you're doing this for the first time, it will give you a message right as you normally have the Google Play Store to sign in before you can actually download anything. So you want to do that, and from there you can download anything. Now additionally, as you can see, this is kind of the application screen right here, the dual space application, and if you want to, well, if you're gonna download anything, it will get downloaded to the dual space right here, as you can see. So to kind of, well, deal with this so you don't actually have to always open the dual space and then the application that you wish to, what you can do, as you can see I already downloaded for instance like this game right here, but you have also things like YouTube or stuff like that. So what you can do is grab the icon, and when you hold it and you can drag it around, you can see right at the top we have the option to create shortcut. Drop it, tap on add, and now we do have it right here. And there we go, as you can see it launches the application. So that is basically how you could get Play services on any kind of HUAWEI device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.